What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to create a Spotify account. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to go on Google and search for Spotify. Good, now scroll down over the ads and click on this link. Good. Now at the top you have a couple of options here, but we're interested in sign up. So click on sign up. Okay, now scroll down and you can begin to create your Spotify account. First things first, you need an email, so make sure you have one. If you do, then enter it here. Good, now you gotta confirm the email. You just can copy paste it. Good, now make sure you create a password. And they're gonna ask you what they should call you. So you need a profile name, let's say this one. Good. Now move on to your birthday. Make sure you fill it in. Good. Now they're gonna ask you for your gender. You can prefer not to say, or you can just choose your gender. Good. Now you have this box here that says please send me news and offers from Spotify. I don't want any news on my email, so I'm just not gonna check this box. I'm just gonna check this one, and I'm gonna check the box with I'm not a robot, then click on sign up. Okay, so apparently this email is already taken, so let's try this one. And as you can see, the account has been created. So yeah, now you can enjoy Spotify. You can save your favorite songs, favorite podcasts. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.